Let's build a route to view our Create Thread page and see if what we've built works so far. Let's open up the router/index.js file. Here, we will import the thread create component first. I like to try to import related components close to one another, so I'll import the thread create just below thread show. Likewise, I think it's also a good idea to register routes for the same resource close to one another, so I'll search for the thread show route and add our new route below. Our new route will have the path of /thread/create. The name will be thread create, the component the same, and it will accept props. In View 2, registering this create route after the show route would have given you issues. The route would have confused the word create with a dynamic ID parameter. But because of the latest version of View Router used in View 3, this is not a problem. View Router is now smart enough to know that this is a direct route match, so it uses it. Okay, now we can link the Start a Thread button in the forum page to our new route. We'll change the href to a to attribute and pass it the name of the page we want to navigate to. If we go and check things out in the browser now, you'll see that we still aren't quite done yet. Clicking Start a Thread leads us to a blank page. What's going wrong? In the console, we can see what the issue is. The property name cannot be found on undefined. This is referring to our forum in the H1, so forum is not defined. We'll need to pass the forum ID as a parameter from the Start a Thread button. That way, our thread create page can get the right forum. Let's also update our route path to honor that ID. Then, in the thread create page, let's change our forum prop to forum ID. Now it'll just be a string instead of an object. And then we'll make a computed property to fetch the forum itself using the forum ID. Nice. Now it's showtime. I will navigate to the pets forum and try to create a thread. Awesome. This time it works, and we see the forum's name in the heading. Alright, now's the big time to hit publish. And nothing seems to happen. But that's okay, because the only thing the publish method does is dispatch the action. Let's navigate back to the forum to see if our thread exists. There it is. Let's open it. Besides the title and the text, I can see that the user is the authenticated one, which means that everything worked as expected. Let's also try to reply to the thread. Awesome.